Last time, Max's Bakery made a $6,000 profit. Sounds like a successful month, but then he checks the bank account. Only $200 is left. Wait, if the business made money, where did all the cash go? That's exactly what the cash flow statement helps us answer. So far, we've learned that the balance sheet tells us, where does the business stand today? The income statement tells us what happened during the journey. But neither one tells us where the cash actually went. That's the job of the cash flow statement. Many beginners think profit and cash are the same thing. They're not. A business can make a profit while having very little cash available. Let's see why. Suppose Max sells $8,000 worth of bread to a restaurant. The restaurant says, "We'll pay you next month." Even though Max hasn't received the money yet, the sale still counts as revenue. So, profit increases, cash doesn't. Now imagine Max buys a new commercial oven. It costs $5,000. Cash leaves the business immediately, but the oven will be used for years. So the income statement doesn't record the entire $5,000 as an expense today. Cash decreases, much more than profit, or maybe Max repays part of a bank loan. Cash leaves the business, but paying back the loan itself isn't considered an expense. Once again, cash changes, profit doesn't. Instead of measuring profit, the cash flow statement tracks every dollar coming in and every dollar going out. It explains exactly why the cash balance changed between the beginning and the end of the period. To make things easier, cash movements are divided into 3 categories: operating activities, cash from running the business; investing activities, cash spent on buying or selling long-term assets; financing activities, cash received from banks or investors, or paid back to them. These 3 sections explain every movement of cash. Now the puzzle is complete. The balance sheet tells us where the business stands today. The income statement tells us how the business performed, and the cash flow statement shows where the cash actually moved. Together, they tell the complete financial story of a business. But here's one last question. The cash flow statement has 3 different sections. Why? And why do investors pay the most attention to operating cash flow? We'll answer that in the next video.